Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Right now we're on our way to meet up with the Mr. One Way Miles on his Razor SX500. He's got a 48 volt, so not quite as powerful as this, but his combos and wheelies are quite more powerful than mine. So I think he's right up here. We'll meet up with him. I kind of want to go and practice some wheelies on a chill street today, just to work on my combos and try to learn some new skills and tricks. Miles isn't here yet. Yeah, what's good? How we doing? Hell yeah, dude. How you been?
Fucking working my ass off.
I feel that. Hey, that's what you gotta do, right? And you should be fine on range, right? Yeah, okay. Is that a new learn, the Neenox? Nah, you already had Neenox. I hate Neenox, bro. Woo! Alright, so we're gonna head up MLK Drive because it should be fun to practice some little stunties. Just Miles and I today, just the two Razors. I will say, after shipping my bike, the front forks feel a little weird.
I can see it. Both sides.
Oh my god, dude, that's so sketchy. My shocks feel a little weird right now from disassembling and reassembling it 3 times, but
Oh yeah, we're right to Texas.
yeah, it was so worth it though, dude. It was so fun. Woo! I never get range anxiety when I'm with Miles because he's only got a 48 volt. Yeah, it just pops it right up into the seat standard. Oh, look at all the crap around here. Woo! Working it to the stand up. What can't this man do? Oh damn, I kind of expected this to be closed today to cars, but it's all good. That was a good one-hander down the hill. We're getting swervy on them. Woo! All day, all day, all day. Like, I've been trying to hook my foot.
Yeah. Like some people lift their foot in the air. I just
You just do this.
I just let it hang.
Yeah.
Because then I can just, if I wanted to, I can just throw my foot under. But you get that foot lock down, just tilt it a little bit, you get more space to come back.
And then you lean back like this.
You don't want to lean back to the side. That's
Yeah, because then you'll go sideways. All right. Lean the body back a bit? Okay, that's what Miles said. It's scary. Shit's so scary, bro.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's try our little foot through. I think my front.
The front little cover thing is heavy.
Here, let's pop in this lot. I want to come up from a sit down into a Neenox,
Just to get up, and you gotta give it enough power so it doesn't drop.
but not also loop. So you let the front wheel drop a little bit, and that's when you hop up, right?
I know with the power, especially with that.
See, that's what I need to learn. Let's try to go up into a Neenox. Oh, I almost got it. Ready? It's a little jump here. Woo! Guys, if you're an OG viewer of the channel, back when I had my CRF 250L, I'd come to this exact lot to practice. All right, let's go sit down to Enoch. Oh. Hey! We did it! That was the first one. Oh, we did it again. Let's go. Woo! There we go. Miles, the teacher out here. I told you guys I'm gonna get hand drives, but man, oh man, are they scary. Dude, you're talking to a guy that only rides clappers, bro. All right, so we got a welded freewheel here. Power's definitely underwhelming. He's in mode 3. I guess this is the sound of the welded freewheel. Damn, to think that Miles rips this that hard, and this is the power he has. Whoa, I kind of like that. Wait a minute. Bro, I think that's better, dude. I think this is better. Oh my gosh. It's so much smoother. Oh my God, I think I'd have to take that guy up on the freewheel. It's so much smoother. Wow. I think I've been doing myself a disservice. Dude, it's so much better. Holy shit.
Like an actual bike.
Dude, ride mine though. You never ride it, ride it.
I rode it the one time.
I know, bro, but I want to see you cut it up on it. Miles on the Razor. Well, my Razor, that is. Okay, guys, I have to put on a welded freewheel. I had someone reach out to me that was going to send me one, so I could do that. I just know it's a pain in the ass to take it off. I could just conversely get someone to weld it, but I might just get the guy to send it to me and do a video on it, installing it, because holy shit, it's light years better. You're just leaning back, too. You're just like...
Once the one hand's off, it's all like the body.
Oh, we don't have foot brakes. We're cooking. It's so sketchy, but also fun riding these gravel little paths on the Sumo wheels and tires. You're just slipping and sliding all over the place. All right, we're coming down here to this little dock. Woo. Oh my God. Dude, it's so slick down here too. Yeah, get a little circle wheelie in. Woo. So sketchy, dude. Whew. All right, guys, we're headed back to the art museum now. I love flying down this path here. You like that? Just like that. Dude, that's actually so sick though that you can do that.
All these scratches just from getting this in.
Damn. All right, guys, and that'll conclude today's ride and video. Great time ride with Miles. He was giving me some pointers, so learned a new combo today, so I'm happy with that. We're also getting a lot better at the throttle one-handers, so hand drags are an inevitability here soon. But hope you enjoy this content. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time, though. Peace.